Welcome to my honey. Just see, I'm coming nearer. Yes, there. You can now see where where I keep my bees, beehive. Yes, that there is my beehive. Hmm? If you want to know how to keep your beehives, welcome. Just see how the flowers are around for my bees to pick. Just see this my bees, very many. There you can see my cows are grazing over there. Just a small piece of land. There's the napier grass. Okay. You see a lot of weeds. These weeds are medicinal. They can treat over very many known illness. Yes. Thank you for watching.